Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save Snapchat memories to camera roll. First you just need to open Snapchat application. Now from here you can just take a photo. Let me click a photo here, a snap. This is a snap that I have clicked right now. So if I tap on this download button here, so it will save to my memories, and in memories you will find all the photos that you have saved or you have captured from your Snapchat. Then if you want to save any of this photo to your gallery, then you just need to tap on that photo and tap on the save to button here, and you just need to scroll left and you will find this download button here. If you tap on download button here, then it will just save this snap to your camera roll. So this is actually the manual method that you can use to save Snapchat memories to camera roll. Let me show you. Here it is, that this picture that I have saved right now from my memories to camera roll. Now if you want that you click a photo and it will save to your memories and also on your camera roll automatically, then you have to do a simple settings. You have to make a simple settings on your Snapchat account here. Now let me show you. You just need to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and you will find this memories option here. Now from here you will find save destination section, where you will find this save button. That means the save button will work for if you have set it to memories. The save button will work for only memories. It will only save the snaps to your memories. And if you tap on camera roll, then that means you will capture a photo, and if you save it, then it will save to your camera roll directly. Now if you want to store your snap to your memories and also you want to save your snap to your camera roll, then you can just go with this memories and camera roll. Now if you after make these settings, if you just let me go back here. If you now click a photo like this and tap on save button here, then it will also save it to your memory and also in your camera roll. Here it is, just like this. That's how you can just easily save Snapchat snaps or snap video from memories to your camera roll. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.